So we got an unboxing today. We're coming to you from our cold, it's a chilly morning, yet disinfected garage. We were sent this package from a viewer. Thank you for that. You know who you are. But before we get into it, we gotta disinfect it, right? So we're using our trusty Lysol wipe. Not exactly sure how well it works on cardboard, but you know, in these times, you kind of just gotta do what you feel is right and just own it, right? Like, you don't want to be panicked. You don't want to be freaked out and crazy. You definitely don't need that much toilet paper, okay? So, yeah, maybe donate some of it because you're not returning it. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to do this unboxing and then we will put it together. I have an idea what it is, but I'm not 100% certain which one it is or what it looks like. Man, thank you. Thank you, Lysol. This is mango and hibiscus. It's an amazing scent. All right. So, in typical unboxing format, warm drink. It's coffee today. When your daughter works at Starbucks, you drink a lot of coffee. So, I pretty much run on coffee and adrenaline. I don't know what other. Put in the comments below what you guys run on. If it's not coffee, it's something else. Let's keep them clean, by the way. All right, so we're gonna try to do this one kind of quick. One take, I wanna do it in one take. So remember all of the same rules from the previous unboxing. That is up here, your right, my left, same place. All the previous rules exist, right? Cut towards your buddy, not your body. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I am excited about this. This is a tool that the customer slash viewer slash subscriber. By the way, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and hit the notification bell. I'm trying to post once a week, so let's get everything out here. We got a couple of wheels. A couple more wheels. What's everyone doing during the quarantine to keep themselves busy? We've been playing a lot of games, which you can only take so much usually with your family. So put in the comments below what you guys are doing. I'd love to hear your ideas if you're doing something good, bad, ugly, whatever. I've been outside a lot. Last few days, been doing 5K walks just to get all my exercise in. I kind of feel like I opened this from the bottom somehow. We're just doing my tops. Oh yes. All right. So it is a Powerbuilt bench with the butt groove kind of already pre-installed there. Looks like it's going to be a fairly simple assembly. Ooh. So these, I think, go in here some way, shape, or form. Now the true test, let's get a bottle of something. Could be anything. Let's try this. Let's try this. I got a couple of things here. Honest tea, delicious. It's my favorite iced tea. I drink a lot of this stuff. Today's video is in no way sponsored by Honest Tea. Unless Honest Tea wants to sponsor a video, contact me. So we're gonna use that. didn't work in that one. All right, so I got a spot for my tea, and I got an even tighter spot for my Adams megaphone. Again, today's video was not sponsored by Adams, but Adams polishes. If you want to sponsor a video, let me know. Okay, so yeah, let's get this baby assembled, and next time you see it, it should all be in one piece. Bam! It's done. Now, I know I said that we would do this in one take, but I really didn't think that you guys wanted to watch me put my roller bench with the butt groove installed put together. So I decided to just kind of cut and put it together. So here it is in its finished configuration. It's got big casters. I want to say, here's the instructions. Real simple to do. I want to say this thing has a 300-pound weight capacity. And so I'm not sure whether to be thankful. I appreciate it. But also a little bit offended. I'm like, you know, probably the 200-pound one would have worked. But, you know, again, I appreciate the gesture. I did find the secret compartment as a little drawer. You can put 6 packs of soda in there. All right, let's see how it works. Oh yeah! Roller bench, yeah! Oh my, no more squatting. This is glorious. Bam. I can get my cutting polish. Oh, I got holes for tools, slots, and my drawer for my Lysol wipes. Totally. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around. I'm sure you'll see this little roller bench in future episodes. We got some stuff coming up. Also be on the lookout for a video where we talk about the new car that's in the garage. Not this one. You've seen this one. Still warm. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and by all means, isolate yourselves socially. Social distancing is what we need. And on a serious note, it's personally what I need. I know there's a lot of people, okay, let's face it, there's several people that are watching these videos that know my personal circumstances, and please don't necessarily worry only about yourself. Worry about the person that's next to you, the person that you don't know that they've got a heart condition or diabetes or they're immunosuppressed and they couldn't fight this if they tried. So please watch out for your fellow man. I would say, you know, love them, give them hugs, but you're gonna have to do that virtually until it all passes. And a wise man once said, "This too shall pass." All right, guys, that's it from our garage. We will see you on the next one.